was strong, I thought I was tough, but I guess I was wrong, cause I was burnt by your touch. I've never been afraid of heights, cause I've never fallen, but you made me fall so hard I hit the ground and now I'm crawling. When you're near I'm stuck on my knees, like I've been struck down, I'm so weak. I can only stand up when you're not around, cause you lift me off my feet, and your face is all I see. Your aroma is all I breathe. You take me underneath your spell and leave me deceased. I'm stronger the farther apart, getting weaker the closer you are. You're my light but I want the darkness, cause I don't wanna see you make me